Welcome. Ngayon, didiscuss natin ang parabola. Ah, one of the conic section ng analytic geometry. So, what is parabola? Parabola is a locus of points which moves so that it is always equidistant to a fixed point called focus and fixed line called directrix. So, ano yung ibig sabihin niya? So, dito, from the first image sa graph ng parabola, yung parabola natin yung blue. So, sabi, the point, locus of points which move so that it's always equidistant to a fixed point called focus and a fixed called directrix. So, from the focus, and this is the directrix, the line behind the parabola. Okay? So, the distance of the focus papunta sa parabola is equal to the vertical distance papunta kay directrix. Yun yung sinasabi yun yung definition ni parabola. So, anywhere in the point dito. Basta point and then diretso. Okay? So, that is always equal. Okay? So, let's be more familiar sa parabola. So, unlike circle, wala siyang center. Ang meron kay parabola is vertex. Yun yung pinakadulo ng graph niya. Okay? That will be the vertex. And sa loob ng parabola, okay, ng curve niya, is nandun yung focus. And sa likod ng curve, nandun yung directrix niya. Okay? So, punta tayo dito sa second image. Yung distance ng vertex to focus natin is A. Okay? A yung distance ng vertex to focus. And also, ang distance din ng vertex to directrix is A din. Okay? So, equal yung distance ng vertex to focus and vertex to directrix, which is A. And if you extend horizontally yung focus natin from this point, left and right from this point, yung line na yan, ang tinatawag natin dyan is yung latus rectum. Okay? Or, ayan, latus rectum. And the distance of latus rectum is 4A. Yung A natin na distance from vertex to focus. So, ayan, latus rectum is equal to 4A. Okay? And general equation naman ng parabola, so it's either x lang yung may squared or y lang yung may squared. Okay? So, yan yung general equation natin. So, pero, di ba, x squared plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0 or cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equal to 0. So, either of the two is the general equation. Yung kapag x yung may squared, ano lang siya, yung parabola natin is opening upward or downward. Kung yung y naman yung may squared is yung parabola natin is either opening left or opening right. Okay? So, we have several standard equation in parabola. Okay? So, in standard equation, so meron tayong opening right, opening left, upward, downward na parabola. So, meron tayong standard equation, vertex at origin, and vertex at HK. Parang sa circle, may center at origin, center at HK. Dito naman, vertex sa parabola. Okay? So, opening right, for example, meron ka ditong graph. Yung parabola mo, opening right, di ba? Continuous yan. So, that, ang may squared mo is y. So, if vertex at origin, ang formula natin standard formula for opening right, yung parabola, that is y squared equals 4ax. Where a is the distance, yung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, a is the distance from vertex to focus or vertex to directrix. So, that is a. And then, if you have a parabola opening to the right, opening to the left pala. Yan, opening to the left. So, magne-negative lang yung sign mo dito. Yung y pa rin, yun yung may squared pa rin. Either, pag y yung may squared, either pang opening to the right or opening to the left lang yung parabola natin. Pag opening to the right, positive yung 4ax mo. Pag to the left, negative yung 4ax. And, pag meron ka namang parabola opening upward, okay? So, ang may squared naman, yung x variable. So, ganun din, pagpapalitin mo lang dito si y tsaka x. So, opening upward is x squared equals 4ay. And opening downward is magne-negative lang si 4ay. So, x squared minus 4ay. Okay? Again, yung a natin is yung distance from vertex to focus or vertex to directrix. Okay? And if you have a vertex at HK, okay, meaning ito yung origin, so meron ka ditong vertex at HK, okay? So, pwedeng pataas yung parabola mo. So, wala sa center. Center yung vertex mo. Ang vertex mo is at HK. So, ang gagawin natin, parang circle lang. So, yung y, sisingitan mo siya ng k, and yung x, sisingitan mo ng h. So, kung y squared yan, so y minus k, quantity squared. Then, yung x walang squared, kaya 4a, quantity x minus h. So, ganun din dito sa opening to the left, nag-negative lang yung sign ulit niya. So, sa opening upward, so from this formula, vertex at origin, sisingitan mo ulit ng h and k, yung x and y respectively. So, kung x squared, quantity x minus h squared equals 4a times quantity y minus k. And ganun din sa opening downward, negative sign lang siya. Okay? And meron tayo ditong mga properties ng parabola. So, the eccentricity of or E of parabola is always equal to 1 or unity. So, ang eccentricity pala is gaano siya kalapit sa pagiging circle. Eccentric. Pagiging eccentric or pagiging circle. Kaya ang eccentricity ng circle ay 0 kasi circle na siya. Nasa eccentric na siya. Okay? So, yung parabola, ang eccentricity niya is equal to 1. Okay? And then, the length of latus rectum, yung sinabi ko na kanina, LR, that is 4 times yung A, which is the distance vertex to focus. And, sinabi ko na dito, vertex to focus is A, and vertex to directrix is equal to A, yung distance niya. And, distance from focus to end of its latus rectum, so ano yung sinasabi niya dyan? So, focus from the focus and one of the end of the latus rectum. So, kalahati ng latus rectum lang, kaya 2a yung nakalagay dito. Kasi 2 ends of latus rectum, kalahati ilang ng latus rectum, 2a lang. And, axis of symmetry or parabolic axis equation. So, ano yung parabolic axis? So, if you have, parabola, yung parabolic axis niya is this one. So, kung horizontal axis, so ganito yon. Ito yung parabolic axis niya. Or axis of symmetry. So, if horizontal, y is equal to k. And vertical, x is equal to h. Okay? Yan. So, solve tayo ng problem about parabola. So, number 1, for the given parabola, x squared minus 4x minus 16y minus 12 equals to 0. So, find the vertex and the length of latus rectum. Okay? So, kagaya ng pag-solve ng circle, kailangan yung given equation is bago natin or ma-solve natin into one of these standard equation. Okay? So, dapat mabago natin yung equation ng katulad nitong standard equation. Okay? So, yan. For the given parabola, x squared minus 4x minus 16y minus 12 equals to 0. So, x is squared. Okay? So, yun lang yung may squared. So, either, ano ba yung x natin? Either upward or downward yung opening ng parabola. Kasi yung x yung may squared. So, paano natin ililipat yan? Gagawing standard formula. So, kung yung x yung may squared, yun lang yung ilagay natin sa left side. And then, yung iba, ilipat na natin sa right side. I-transpose na natin. 16y plus 12. And then, gagamitan natin ulit ng completing the square. So, sabi ko sa inyo before, sa circle, completing the square talaga ang ginagamit dito sa lahat ng conic section. So, dapat alam nyo kung paano mag-completing the square. So, maglalagay ako ng bakante dyan, equals 16y plus 12. So, yung x lang kasi may squared, kaya yung x lang yung completing the squared natin. So, hindi natin mako-complete yung y. So, pero, kung anong pinlas natin sa left side, yun din yung i-add natin sa right side. So, paano ulit completing the square? Kuhain mo yung middle term, negative 4. I-divide mo sa 2, and then, squared. Okay? So, kung anong in-add doon sa left side, yun din yung i-add natin sa right side. Okay? So, that is negative 4 over 2 raised to 2. And then, simplify. So, negative 4 over 2 is negative 2 squared. So, 16y plus 12 plus negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kung ano yung nandito sa loob ng parenthesis na may squared pa, yun na yung factor niya, squared. Equals 16y plus 12 plus 4 is 16. Okay? So, almost close na tayo sa sa standard equation. Ito, which is ito. X minus h squared, h quantity squared equals 4a times quantity y minus k plus or minus. Okay? So, dito dapat meron din tayo makuwang y minus k. So, ito, di ba? X minus h squared equals, sabi natin, 4a y minus k. Tama? So, nasan yung k dyan? Nasan yung a dyan? So, dapat i-factor pa natin tong 16. So, dapat walang matirang number kay y. Kasi dito y minus k. Okay? So, x minus h squared, factor natin dito si 16. So, ang matitira, y plus 1. Tama? So, yan. Nagawa na nating standard form yung equation na given. Okay? So, sorry, hindi to minus x minus 2 to. Yan, squared. Yan. So, alam na natin yung h. H is 2. K is negative 1. So, papalitan natin ng sign, di ba? Negative 2 to. So, ang vertex mo at hk is equal to, kung negative 2 to, gagawin nating positive 2. Kung positive 1 yan, gagawin nating negative 1. So, yan yung location ng vertex natin. Okay? And then, ang hinahanap pa is length of latus rectum. So, sabi natin LR, ang formula is 4A. Okay? So, saan natin kukunin si A? So, pwede ito yung i-equate natin. So, from the formula, sa standard formula, yung 4A, ito yan, equal yan sa 16. So, kunin natin si A. So, that will be 4A equals 16. If kailangan natin yung A, 4 over 4 natin, A is 4. Okay? And to solve for LR, or latus rectum, that is 4 times 4. So, the latus rectum is 16. units. Okay? Proceed tayo sa number 2. Find the equation of the parabola with vertex 0, 0 and directrix at x equals to 2. So, dito naman, may given yung vertex, hanapin natin yung equation. Okay? So, dito sa problem na to, kailangan nating i-graph yung problem para makuha natin by visual yung mga ibang given. Okay? So, yung vertex daw is at 0, 0, that is in origin. Okay, that is the vertex. And directrix daw is x equals to 2. So, directrix natin is x equals to 2. So, ito yung 2. Therefore, ito yung directrix natin. Okay? So, kung nandyan yung directrix and nandito yung vertex, so sabi natin yung directrix is nasa likod ng parabola. Therefore, yung parabola natin is opening to the left. Okay? Kasi nandyan yung directrix natin eh. Okay? So, ayan yung parabola na sinusolve natin. So, alam natin yung vertex at 0, 0. And ang kailangan natin lang to get the formula nung parabola. So, dahil alam na nating opening to the left siya, and meron tayong standard equation opening to the left, okay? Ito, opening to the left, pwedeng vertex at origin or vertex at h, k. So, dahil alam nating 0, 0 yung vertex na given sa number 2, so, vertex at origin yung gagamitin natin, opening to the left. So, yan yung standard equation. So, yan yung gagamitin natin. That is, y squared equals negative 4ax. Okay? So, ang kailangan lang natin malaman is anong value ni a. Okay? So, alam natin, ang value ni a is vertex to focus, di ba? Pero wala tayong focus ngayon. So, pwede natin makuha si a is from vertex to directrix, which is, kung bibilangin natin yan by visual sa graph, that is 2. So, a is equal to 2. Okay? Kaya kailangan mo i-graph para makita mo yung value ni 2. So, if a equals to 2, malalaman na natin yung formula nung parabola at vertex 0, 0 or at origin. So, y squared equals negative 4 times a is 2 times x. So, y squared equals negative x. So, y squared plus negative x equals 0. So, this is the formula of the said parabola. Okay? Then, proceed tayo sa number 3. So, number 3, parabola has focus at 7, negative 4, and directrix y equals negative 2. So, the question, find its equation. Yan. So, kailangan, ito na naman, may given na naman na focus, tapos may directrix daw na 2. So, kailangan i-drawing muna natin ulit yan. Okay, so, i-plot natin yung focus daw na 7, negative 4. So, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. Okay? And sabi daw, may directrix daw tayo sa y equals to 2. So, 1, 2. Ito yung 2. So, yan daw yung directrix natin. So, that is the directrix. Okay? And, saan yung focus natin? 7, comma, negative 4. So, that is, nandito yung focus. Okay? Focus at 7, negative 4. So, find its equation. So, ang alam lang natin is, ito yung, nandito yung directrix niya, and nandito yung focus niya. So, meaning, kung nandito yung directrix and nasa baba yung focus, so yung parabola natin, opening downward. 'Di ba? So, balikan natin yung image dito. Sabi natin, yung vertex to focus is yung A, 'di ba? A equals sa A. And vertex to directrix is equal to A din. So, meaning, focus to directrix, kung kukunin mo yung focus to directrix, that is 2A. 'Di ba? So, dahil focus and directrix lang yung given natin dito, so the distance of directrix papunta dito sa focus will be 2A. Okay? So, kung bibilangin natin yan, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 2A equals to 6. And then, ano na natin, masosolve na natin si A. Where 2A equals to 6, divide both sides by 2. So, A is 3. Okay? So, kung alam na natin si A, pwede na natin malaman kung nasan yung vertex niya. 'Di ba? Kung 'di ba sabi natin, focus to vertex or vertex to focus is A, which is 3. So, focus papunta sa vertex, that is 3. 1, 2, 3. So, ito yung vertex niya. Kung sakaling hanapin yung vertex, alam mo na yung vertex na that is nasa 7, negative 1. Okay? And then, dahil nandito yung directrix sa taas, so opening downward yung parabola natin. Okay? Yan. So, ang tanong, hanapin daw natin yung equation. So, opening downward, tapos vertex at HK, 7, negative 1. So, tingnan natin ulit sa standard equation. Opening downward, tapos meron kang vertex at HK. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin, negative 4A. Okay? Ang formula natin, standard formula na gagamitin is x minus h raised to 2 equals negative 4a times y minus k dahil opening downward siya. And then, direct substitution na. So, vertex, sabi dito, vertex at nakita natin sa graph, 7, negative 1. Therefore, iyan yung h and k mo. And then, may a ka na 3. Then, substitute na. So, h is 7. X minus 7 squared equals 4. Negative 4 times a, which is 3, times y minus k, which is negative 1. Okay, then simplify. Expand. Special product. Square the first term. Double the product of the first and second term, which is x and negative 7. And then plus square the second term equals negative 12 times y plus 1. Okay? So, simplify further. X squared, that is 2 times negative 7 is negative 14x plus 7 times 7 or negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49 equals, distribute natin yung 12, negative 12y minus 12. And then, transpose natin. X squared minus 14x plus 12y plus 49 plus 12 is equal to 0. So, x squared minus 14x plus 12y plus 61 equals 0. So that will be the equation of the parabola for number 3. Okay? So if you have any question, concern, just comment lang. Okay?